Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode 25 for me, and welcome to my channel. So first I'm going to share with you what I used for my first project. I used this gold hearted mixed cardstock. I also used a silver one, but I cannot find it right now. And then I used this Again and Again by Pink Paisley. Very pretty paper. And then I used this Wish You May, Wish You Might Have a Day That's Angel Bright, which is from, let's see if I can get this tag off so I can read it. This is the Cottage something. I think it just says The Cottage. The Cottage Stamper ink. G1568. Okay. And then lastly, no, not lastly, but I used the new Angel Primitive, or the Primitive Angel die by Anna White. I love this die. And then lastly, I used some silver glitter dust. And this is what I came up with. I think she turned out so super cute. Really cute. So I hope you guys like her. And then I used the sentiment on the inside. Love her. So next, I used some vintage photo. I used some glossy accents. I used this paper pad called Country Manor. It has really pretty papers as well. I used that gingham paper, the yellow one. I used this tree die from MFT called Branch Out. And these are all separate, so I had to put each leaf back on the tree. I also used this Club La La Land Crafts from October 2020 called Marcy with Apples. It's really cute. And then I used the apple die. And then I used the glitter dust in gold. I also used a corrugated card base because I made a larger card. And this is what I came up with. So it says Happy Fall, y'all. And you can see it shine and sparkle. I used Copics. And I gave her sweater and her tights some texture. And I think it turned out so stinking cute. And then I did the inside. I made that apple really big and I Copic colored that. I love it. I hope y'all do too. And then for my last project, I used, let me see the name of this, Berries and Leaves stencil from Simon Says Stamp. I used some Distress Oxide and Chipped Sapphire. And I didn't grab the other one. I believe it was Broken China and Aged Mahogany. I used my Gansai Tombi in the blue gold, which is this one right here. I love using these. And then I used the Cozy Wishes stamp set. Uh-oh, you hear my cats. They're playing. Really cute stamp set. Oh, I had one other die I used, guys. I didn't pull it. Uh-oh, they're fighting. And then I also used some white embossing powder. But this is what I came up with. And I left it blank on the inside. So, I hope y'all liked my cards. And I hope y'all have a lovely weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.